So this is electric rear brakes, Honda Civic Type R, SIs, and, you know, everything's going. 2 electric brakes. Pull these plugs off. There's a 7mm Allen wrench, which is, I got one on here. You got 2 of them. I got one. What's up, bud?
Where did Mom and Debbie go?
I don't know.
I thought they said they're going to Daisy.
Yeah, we're gonna follow them. Oh, look at that. You want to get a brush?
Yeah.
Brush your hair. Got this retaining.
Do you know the way to Daisy's house?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and so this is where the not so tricky part gets, is you got to remove this clip right here. Can you get them back in the gate?
Daddy, purpose or
Whoops, then broke it.
purpose or Ohio?
So this is your positive and negative. I got it jumped on the battery. You're gonna put it on these 2 little points there, and you got to be careful. You got to test it, because if you got it set like this, it might go forward. So if it's going out, you got to rotate it, the polarity. Usually you could do this with the Power Pro, but I'm poor boy, I don't have it. So you put it on there. Can't really see. So that way it's coming back. You're gonna hear it change. You heard that little tss? That's when you stop.
Okay. Are you taking a video?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Now you can push this guy by just pushing it up against the rotor. And this will go in. I don't have my C clamp.
Daddy,
Yes.
can we go to McDonald's?
Hold on, baby. Easily just push it in, just like that, because the motor's already all the way back. Remember when we heard that different tone? Then you just remove your pads. Now we're just doing a pad slap because, I mean, they were pretty close, but not to the point where they're unusable. Put it on your contact parts, which is on the ears. I'm gonna call them brackets, ends. Now the one with the warning indicator goes to the back. And then this one goes on the front, just like that. It should fit, yep. Tighten up your 7mm Allen. one just happens to be right where that brake line's up, which I just kind of bent it a little bit. Not gonna hurt it. That one's tight. They weren't very tight to begin with. I had to guess maybe 25 pounds. Slide. Now, this guy goes in the front. Just kind of goes in these holes. These are the well, they're not Brembo, but the fronts are Brembos. And lastly, get your harness, plug it back in. That satisfying click. And we're good. Just did a brake slap, a pad slap. On, this happens to be the Type R, which I've already done the front. And tell them to comment, like, and subscribe. And then what do you got to say? Comment, like, and subscribe.
Comment, like, and subscribe.
To Ratchet Rice Rockets.
Ratchet Rice Rockets.
And we should be done. We're gonna put the wheels back on and give it a couple brake taps and it should be good. Before we end off this video, let me give you a couple of revs.